What's the meaning of circular saw? Circular saw. Circular saw.
Circular saw. Circular saw. A circular saw is a power tool equipped with a toothed or abrasive disc that rotates to cut various materials, such as wood, metal, or plastic, in a circular motion. The saw blade spins rapidly to slice through the targeted material with precision and ease. Circular saws are commonly used in woodworking, construction, and metalworking industries for their versatility and efficiency. With its ability to deliver clean, straight cuts in thick materials, a circular saw is a popular choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike seeking a reliable cutting tool.